Hi, this is Mr. Summers, and we're going to do this reaction balancing thing. Yay! And there's some people here who are going to say hi at the end of this performance. Let's start with this reaction. It's a decomposition reaction because there's only two things. And so you break it apart like so. Aluminum by itself, chlorine is a sneaky 7, so it gets a 2. And then you want to balance it by putting a 3 somewhere, like a 2 there and a 3 there and a 2 here. Keep it all balanced. So that's a pretty common decomposition reaction. This one, number 2, that's going to be a single replacement where barium is going to replace manganese and pair up with cobalt. So let's rewrite it here. Barium and manganese for carbonate. And barium again replaces manganese and pairs up with the carbonate. So we want to crisscross them. Barium is +2. Carbonate is -2. They cancel out. And then manganese is by itself. This 4 does not come over. Manganese is not a sneaky 7, so it doesn't get a 2 or anything. And then you just balance it by putting a 4 here, and also a 4 there. And that was a single replacement. Number 3 is a double replacement, where magnesium is going to switch places with potassium. So there's your A, B, C, and D. And this one, the first half's already written, so let's rewrite it. And now you're going to crisscross on this side. A and D go together, and C and D go together. And A is magnesium, which is +2, and chlorate, which is -1. So that is Mg +2 ClO3 -1, and Mg ClO3 2. And then you have C, which is potassium, going with hydroxide. Potassium is +1, hydroxide is -1. So KOH. And then you want to balance it out by putting a 2 here and a 2 here. And that gives you 4 hydroxides. I don't like this at all. Erase. So let's see. Well, magnesium's already set. Off in the wrong spot. 2 chlorates, so put a 2 here, and 2 Ks, and you already have 2 hydroxides. So now it's all balanced out. These are 1s. Sorry that it's such a mess. Lithium and oxygen, rewrite it here. I don't want you just to write out what it is here. Instead, rewrite lithium plus oxygen. Oxygen's a sneaky 7, so make sure you include that. And this is just going to be a synthesis reaction. This one was double replacement. And lithium is +1, and oxygen is -2, so you get Li2O. And you want to put a 2 there to balance, and a 4 here. Number 5 is a combustion reaction. You'd have C4H9OH, and it's going to be with oxygen. And you make carbon dioxide and water. Let's see if we can balance this with 4 hydrogens, or 4 carbons, so 4 carbons. We've got 8 hydrogens here, so 8 hydrogens. And see, it's not going to work because I'm going to have this odd one here. So what I'm going to do is this double. I'm going to go with 2 instead, and then 8, and 8. Now if I add up all my oxygens on this side, I've got 8 plus 16, that's 24. And I already have 2 here, so I need 22, so I put 11 here. And finally, I've got the big double replacement that is crisscrossing 4 times. When the word's written out, you have to crisscross just to get to the start. So chromium is +2, bromine is -1, so you get CrBr2. Iron is +3, sulfate's -2. So you get Fe2SO43. And now you recognize that's a double replacement reaction, so now these two are going to go together, and these two are going to go together. So chromium is +2, sulfate's -2, so CrSO4 just cancels out. And iron goes with bromine, Fe is +3, and bromine is -1. So crisscross them like that. And now you should balance it by putting a 3 here and a 3 there. And 6 bromines now, so 2 times 3 is 6. So there are 6 more problems. I hope the answers are correct. And special guests want to say hello now, so they're going to come up very quickly and wish you luck on tomorrow's quiz. And they're going to be upside down, but that's okay.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Bye!